Yeah, this is all how it is started. Mzee Chicks is my name. World best chicken dad. It has been so long to make this farm look green everywhere as you seeing it, and it has been a question forwarded to me by very many you people, that how do I make it to make my farm look green as you're seeing. I will say it has been very hard for me to make it as you're seeing it. Of course, it has been a journey since I started what you saying. Uh, you saying very far there. The chicken is there. The chicken is there. Very far. Others are there. You seeing them right there. There you seeing my goat structures. My goat structures. That one. I have one there. Other two are there. Then the middle there you seeing my boy's quarter is right there. I have another structure there. There it contains chickens and also kids. Then I have the old structure there. Yeah, that one. It's for chickens. It's for chickens. Yeah. So guys, my target was to do everything here on free range. My goats on free range, chickens on free range, cows on free range. So I had to make this place, I had to make my farm to look green. Because as you know very well, goats will need grass, cows will need grass, and also my chickens should be, I had to make them pasteurized. So the task I had to make everywhere to look green. As you're seeing, it has been very hard. It has been very hard, but good enough. I made it. As you're seeing, everywhere there you're seeing green. But all it is started somewhere. So let us have a flashback.
I'm trying to clear my grazing grounds for my goats. As you know very well, it's a free range goats farm. It's what we are dealing with today. I'm showing you how I prepare my grazing fields, how I plant my grasses for my goats. And it has been a question. PK Katongole, you asked this question, and many others, that how do you make it to make your grazing grounds to appear green with the productive grasses to your goats. That's what I'm going to explain you today. As you're seeing today we are trying to clear one of my farm grazing portions, and it's 3 acres. My farmland here, it's approximately 12 acres. So it's easy for me to clear a portion. At the same time, I still graze from the other remaining portions. So that's what I'm doing today. Whether you're starting on 1 acre of land, 2 acres, or 12 acres like me, or 100 acres, the main thing is growing grasses to feed your goats. Right here I have different grasses like coriander, desmodium, dispersarum, napier grass, and others. So it's easy for me to graze on a free range. But it reaches a time when these grasses are mixed with the non-productive grasses. So what you have to do, you have to clear out all non-productive grasses from productive grasses. But also, there is a time when non-productive grasses are more than productive grasses. So for me, what I do here, I just remove all. Then afterwards, I plant or I let new productive grasses to grow again. That's what I'm doing today. We are clearing 3 acres of land, of grazing ground, to let new grasses grow again. And I'm doing it just by use of oxen. For me here, it's easy for me to use oxen, but you may find that in other places you may hire people to do it. You may use a tractor, a hand tractor, and other means. But for me here, we are going to use it oxen, because we have them here at the farm. These oxen, they are good. They simplifies work. Like here, 3 acres, they are going to be done just in 3 days. But what we're doing here, we are removing all. We are digging all productive and non-productive, and we replant new grasses. Of course, here we shall try to get Coriandra and Desmodium. We shall try to get Coriandra and Desmodium to replant in this portion. So that's what we are doing right now. As you see in other places like here, the productive grasses are more than non-productive. So what we do here, we just remove non-productive and we let non-productive, and we let productive to continue growing. So it's a small farm, as you see, but the same you do to small farm like this one is the same you do to bigger farms. In most cases, when you're starting on a smaller piece of land, you may try also to grow extra grasses somewhere else for harvesting or for storing to feed to your animals during maybe dry seasons. But for me here, I'm not yet on that stage of growing extra grasses for storing, because my grazing area is bigger enough according to the number of goats I have here. But if it happened that you started on a smaller piece of land, you try to grow extra grasses like napier grass and other types of grasses, the hay and others, for storing, then you feed your goats later. I hope I answered PK Katongole's question, how to clear and how to make your grazing grounds with green and productive grasses. For me, that's how I do it right here at my farm. Mzee Chicks. See you soon.